rise up with morning sun, my love. Your smile makes my heart transcend through meadows bright and valleys wide. Your divine touch will be my guide. Sweet winds carry sacred songs. Our blessings flow where we belong. Rolling hills and mountain prayers. Perfect peace flows everywhere. Praise flows with each breath we share. Heaven's grace beyond compare. Spirit soars to hold you near. Sacred moments when you're here. Faith blooms endless, pure and true. Like my soul that sings for you. Fairy soars to hold you near. Sacred moments when you're here. Deep good wind lit to our core. When you're still in a sacred mourn. Every moment touched by grace makes me thankful in this place. Deep devotion fills my core. Love eternal, sacred more. Waters pure reflect our prayer as you move with angels there. Sacred flowers light our way. Holy blessings day by day. Hand in hand on hallowed ground. Together where God's love is found. Grateful for this blessed stone. Shows the truth we've always known. Time flows deep through in me. Divine love and destiny. Faith shines through gentle rain. Hearts unite in sacred rain. Walking on this holy ground. Thank you for the grace we found.